Mobile number portability. What is mobile number portability? Mobile number portability is a facility that allows a telecom service user to move from one operator to another operator irrespective of geographical area, e.g. Delhi to Mumbai. If a subscriber is not satisfied with the services of his current operator, he can port his mobile number to another service provider of his choice. What is the eligibility criterion for receiving a unique porting request, UPC? Satisfying the following eligibility criteria will ensure unique porting code, UPC, generation, A. In the case of post-paid mobile connection, the subscriber has cleared outstanding dues towards the existing telecom service provider for the issued bills as per normal billing cycle. B. Activation in the present operator's network is not less than 90 days. C. Request for change of ownership of mobile number is not in process. D. There are no pending contractual obligations to be fulfilled by the subscriber as per the exit clause provided in the subscriber agreement. A. The porting of the mobile number is not prohibited by the court of law. F. The mobile number sought to be ported is not sub judice. In case the validations of any one or more conditions, A to F, are negative, the request for UPC will be rejected and the reason for rejection will be provided through SMS to the subscriber. What is the procedure for mobile number portability? 1. Generate UPC at the point of sale of recipient operator. SMS the word port, which shall be case insensitive, i.e., it can be port or port, etc., followed by a space and the 10-digit mobile number which is to be ported, to 1900. The UPC will be received through SMS on the mobile of the subscriber. 2. Fill the customer acquisition form, CAF, and porting form of the operator of your choice and mention the valid UPC. After submission of necessary payment and requisite KYC documents, collect new SIM from the operator at Customer Service Center, point of sale. You will receive a message from MNP service provider confirming the submission of your porting request along with the available withdrawal window of 24 hours. Porting within a licensed service area, LSA, e.g. porting within Gujarat LSA, takes 3 working days. The porting from one LSA to another LSA, e.g. Delhi to Mumbai, takes 5 working days. Also, in case of porting of corporate number, porting time is 5 working days. There are 22 geographical regions in the country designated as LSA. Porting time in Jammu and Kashmir, Assam, and Northeast licensed service areas shall be up to 15 working days. You will receive an SMS indicating the date and time for porting, which is during night hours, and there is no service for a maximum period of 4 hours. Insert the new SIM in your phone. Post verification, your mobile number is active on the network of your new service provider. What are the grounds of rejection of porting request? For individual subscribers' mobile numbers, the porting request submitted by the subscriber to the recipient operator, with valid UPC within the validity period of UPC, will not be rejected. For corporate mobile numbers, the porting request may be rejected by his existing operator, if the porting request is not accompanied by a valid authorization letter issued by the corporate entity. If you require any help, assistance, or want to be part of our team as a member or associate, feel free to call us. Please call us on 9818003999 and can call or email 9,540,003,999, director@dignityindia.org. Visit our website, www.dignityindia.org. If you like it, please like and subscribe to our channel. Thanks.